In reference to making money online, priceless ideas are in this video. Are you having trouble paying your bills each month? Need some money fast? It may be a lot easier than what you've thought of. You may need to go no farther than your own computer. There are quite a few ways to make money through the internet. You just need to know how to find them. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Look into surveys. There are many out there. They can really help you earn extra money. Usually, these surveys don't pay a lot. However, they are easy to do during downtime, and the money you make from them will quickly add up. Your new knowledge from this piece should have given you a good feel for how to make money online. The tips from the above video will help you earn more money. And look for new and different ways to earn an income online. Before you know it, you could have a steady stream of income. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.